So good morning guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. You know how to do it right here. It's a new week top down analysis, the first top down analysis for the week. So clear all the lines, clear all the highlighted areas. As you can see here, price and our highlighted zones respected the resistance right here. So clear all the lines. So as usual, I'll go to monthly. Monthly is normally where we start. So take it from here. One line at a time, one after the other, with care and precision. Anyway, this place I'm marking is too far, but it's not getting there anytime soon. But I just want you to understand what we are doing. If you don't know how we get these lines, go and watch my previous video. You will understand better. So here is the next place you expect price to bounce. And then here, then after that here, then after that yeah, then after that here, after that here, after yeah, is here. Then here do I expect it to gain this zone right here. Yeah. There is something here. And what do we expect in all these lines? What we expect here is reaction. Whenever price gets to any of the line, you expect reaction. Either it keeps going up or it rejects from the line and keeps coming down. That is what you expect whenever price comes to any of the zone we are highlighting. So down to weekly. For filtering, what we do in weekly is filter. So there's something here as well. Yeah, there's something there. So as you can see, the market is currently on a downturn. This break of structure here is what originated this liquidity here. That's this price traded, and this one has been trading down. So now we expect a break of this Friday's low, then a retest to the zone, and they continue to push down. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame and get a clearer picture. So this is right here. So as you can see, the price is still pushing down, but it hasn't given a clear break of structure to the downside. So you expect a structure to be broken to the downside, then a retest to the upside, then a push down, then the push down to continue. So let's go and highlight that daily candle. We expect price to take out its low. So I expect price to break here. Yes, price to break it through, then on a retest back, taking a short. So the general bias is that dollar index is still bearish, so you should be looking for more bulls. You'll be looking for more bulls on the likes of Euro USD and Co. So to Euro USD. So here you go. So can this one from there. If you want to know how I get all the zones I highlight, you go to my previous videos and you are going to see them all there. So we keep on going. Yep. There you go. So you have to be careful with the lines, with the zones you highlight, because what you put in is exactly what you get out. So you have to be careful with what you put in, so you will be able to get out what is meaningful. And let's put one more. So here is it. Lights are turned off. So judging from this side, you can already clearly see that the market has been bullish. The market has primarily been bullish for like a long period of time now, and all you have to do is for wait on a retest to know where you catch the trend from and join the movement. I'm seeing something right here. I'm seeing something right at this zone. So let's check our monthly time frame for confirmation. So there's something right in this zone. And daily, weekly, and monthly. So what is there in 4 hour? What is there in 4 hour is not really something important. Price has been moving with patience, so we don't really expect price to come down below here. So as you can see, we are improving on lines. Look at the precision. Look at the precision. Look at the precision. Look at the precision. So it grew every day. So as of now, this is what I expect price to break above the zones, to close above the zones before I do whatever I'm going to do in this market. So but as of now, there is nothing really I am going to do. So now what I do is sit on my hands most of the day and do other things. So this is it. I expect price to close above, then I test and I take my buy. So that is all. I expect price to close above and give a retest, then I take my buy. So onto GBP card. So here we go again. The precision you apply on marking out these lines is what you get on your profitability. If you mark it out well, your trade will turn out well. If you don't, your trades will sink. So you better be careful. After each highlight, you look in between the lines to see what you are missing. Once that card is up in the neighborhood, so now I think we'll go down to weekly. Was there anything we missed? Was there anything we missed? Now from candlestick formation on the GBP card, we might expect a little bit of sell, and we might not, because from the coloration coming from DXY and Euro USD, what we expect is a little bit of retracement and the buy up to continue. So we are expecting more buys at retest, more discount buys at retest. Yeah, so it seems we have a bunch of internal range liquidities for markets to sweep, then to keep on going for us. So we expect price to come back to this origin because it normally does. After market breaks the structure, it often retests, and after retesting it goes up, and after trading the upside it often retests back to the downside to give a normal entry. So wait for price to come back here, then this, then this, then we'll target this external liquidity. So this is, so let the game begin. Take it from here. And here. This is Operation C Clearer. You have to look in between and judge as much as you can. So here, and here, here. There is something here. And yeah, and then again here. And we'll go down to weekly. Go down to weekly, and what do we expect from our friend? The lines has been highlighted. this is it. Our friend might come down to this daily FVG. If it couldn't break here up, it might come down to this daily FVG to trade from back up. So that is what we expect from our friend. And on this daily FVG, I think there is a zone. Right here and here as well. Price already tested this zone, so we expect price to take out this zone. We expect price to take out this zone right here, and if it couldn't do it, we should be expecting price to come down here and trade from the next. So this is where we expect price. To expect price to come from this zone to retrace to this zone. That is if it didn't succeed in taking out this one. Expect price to trade. If don't succeed in taking out this zone, here we expect price to come and trade from this zone. Then you already have a structural liquidity right here. So this is what we expect for market to do. So Euro NZD. So as I used to say before, what we trade today is what price orchestrated for us yesterday. So I didn't mean by like yesterday, just yesterday, but you have to be good with proverbs. So markets respect the previous traded zones of the past. So you have to be good in highlighting them. Yes, you have to strive for getting better with highlighting them every chance you get. Every chance you get, you should focus that chance on getting better. Every moment you get, you should channel it on getting better and doing a better thing for yourself. That is how you become great. That is how you do big things. Any chance you get with anything you've got, you focus it on being a better version of you, a better one. go to daily and see what is happening right there. There is an FPG here with a lot of resistance, and there is another one here as well. So 4 hour will determine the one we choose. Now my 4 hour friend is telling me to forget about that line. Go with this one. This one is the one I would like to go with. Yes, because this one has a daily. This one has a daily order block and a fair value gap, and it comes from an accumulation that costs a voluminous break of structure. You know, since this month, this play has pretty been ranging since we entered August. It has been ranging. So this is what I expect. This is just an inducement. It might trade, but what we're going to catch is just a retracement, and then the whole move will hit like a storm. So this is pretty what it is. This zone right here is an inducement zone, but we should see what forward price is going to do there. But where the real move is going to come from, where the real move is going to come from is from this zone right here. So this is what we expect price to do. Come down to this zone, do a little of thing like this, and then push all the way up. Yeah, we've got our structural liquidity right here. That is all for Euro NZD. So go for USD Chef. You know, this particular pair we have marked zones multiple times, and each time we come up with the same thing. So I don't take it necessary marking new zones from the upside again. So we just keep taking it from the downside. So there should be something here. And here as well. There is something on the zone. I think probably they traded it. There is something on the zone. And on this zone I expect reaction. somewhere right here. Expect reaction. So boil down to daily. And what do we see? So it pretty the same thing. No. Now I expect a price reaction from here. Yeah, I expect a price reaction from there. I expect something to happen at this zone. So please wait and see how the breakout structure happens to the downside. But I'm pretty expecting something to happen there. And break this structure down. And then we launch on its retest. Its retest to this zone. So we expect reactions from this zone. Please, if you want to know how I will get this zones that we are highlighting, you go to my previous videos and check it. And if you watch to this zone, it means you like what you're doing. So you just hit that like and subscription button for us. That is how I get encouraged to continue the good work. So my neighbor is calling on the power of the Lord. So this is how you move with precision. You put in what you will like to get out. Yes. So as I usually say, what you put in is what you get out of it. There is no other way it's done. You just have to be careful so as to put in something great. Yeah, so that is all. What do we expect? Expect a new price And I'm seeing something again right here. I expect something to happen right here, but I expect something to happen right from this. If market is to come back to the zone, I expect something to happen from that zone. Yes, the market is to come back to this zone, right here. I expect something, but that is not. It must take out the zone for us first, then wait to know if it respects this one or this one. Zones I was supposed to highlight here. So we expect a retracement to this zone, maybe probably today, or this is a breakout structure here. Expect a retracement to this zone and then a push to this zone right here. So that is what we are looking out for on GBP JPY. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking out for GBP JPY. We'll push to this level, then a reaction, then a comeback, then a push to this zone. So that is pretty much expect from GBP JPY. These are efficient zones. This is a zone that caused an impulse on the fair value gap. So let's go to XAUSD. Wow. And for us to start longing gold back, gold, I was expecting sales from gold this week, but the mind of man is not the mind of gold. But nevertheless, I still expect my sales, because unless this month decided to close up, I still expect sales from gold. So yes, this is pretty what it is. So this is what to expect in gold. These are levels here you expect reaction on our dear friend gold. If you watch at this level, please hit the subscription button and also hit the like button, then you share to your friends and trading buddies you wish to see get better as well. Yeah, because what you're putting out here is an unprecedented effort. Yeah. So we expect something also from the zone. So let's go down to 4 hour and what are we getting? So if this candle could close up here, this voluminous, we should be looking for a buy from this zone. Yeah, so that is what gold is all about. If the candle closes this up, we should be looking for a buy on a retest to this over here. Yeah, so this is where we expect. Gold has created a sweet inducement zone, so this is where we expect buy to happen from this fair value gap right here. Yes, and it should do something like this and it should keep going up. So this is what I expect on gold. Yeah, something exactly like this is what I expect on gold. But I expect this break of structure first. So let's keep getting it. And here. And here. So this pair is like acting slightly bullish, but I don't understand because this pair is supposed to be bearish. Yes, it's supposed to be bearish. This pair is supposed to be bearish because DSY is bearish and USD chef is also bearish. So I don't know where USD card is drawing its momentum from, but sooner or later we are going to find out. So I'm already seeing something. Last week pushed up pretty bullish, and from candlestick formation I still expect more bulls. Hey God. candlestick formation, I still expect something like bullish, because as you can see, this is a break of structure and a valid one which left daily order block. This break of structure here originated from an order block, and this candlestick formation right here validated it. So there's no this is just a short and see there's an internal break of structure right here before the external one. This is a breaker block zone right here. So we are looking out for stocks today. Patiently wait for price to get there. Let me just start way up here. So right here. Take it with precision and care. You look in between the lines. There is something here, but so like overly now, CAD GPY has been kind of acting bearish, but I think it's just a secondary movement. Yes, I think it's just a secondary movement because where it's bounced from here is a supply zone and at the same time a resistance zone. So let's just watch out what price does. Let's watch out what price does. If price could break up into here, if price could break up into here with the same momentum, not breaking all the same, and stop breaking up here with this momentum, we look for it to close above any of those candlesticks, then we catch the retest back to the line and give it a long right here. So as you can see, there is a zone right here. So if it could come up and close above the zones with volume, we should be waiting for something exactly like this and like this. So that is all for today, guys. If you watched this zone, congratulations, you are growing more than you know. Please hit the like and subscription button, and let's get started on the next one. So see you on the next one.